Okay, let me set my timer. Ooh, yeah. This is so cool. Hey my natural beauties, welcome back to my channel. This intro is going to be very quick. So I recently posted this picture on my work Instagram, this one right here, and you guys really loved the makeup look in that. I was getting like comments and DMs and stuff saying, you know, you guys want a tutorial for that look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys my quick 10-minute smoky eye routine. It's very simple, easy products as always. You guys don't know what me do, so I'm just going to do that real quick. I really legit want it to be 10 minutes guys. So before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also thumbs up this video and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have tried this look or if you're going to try it and what you think about the look. Alright, stay tuned.
Perfect, perfect, perfect.
Alright, so I'm legit just going to press the start thing on here for 10 minutes. And I want to do this look for 10 minutes from scratch. So I'm going to start with my brows first. I'm using my perfect brow stick from Black Up Cosmetics to just fill in my brows lightly. This is a smoky eye, but it's like an everyday kind of version, not the dramatic version that you would wear out in the night or something like that. So it doesn't take a lot out of you to do. Alright. I'm gonna clean up my brows. I'm using the Milani Secret Cover like always. Careful not to mess up my brows, because personally when your brows get messed up, like the whole look just look off. And I am now at 8 minutes remaining. Oh my god. Why did I want to do this? Alright, so I'm going to also put some of that onto my lid, because the smoky eye will not stand out if you don't have anything on your lid to kind of like prime it. I'm just using a little bit of the same concealer as a bit of a base. You guys know that in like a real smoky eye look you use a darker base, but we're breaking all the rules today, honey. Okay, I'm using Earth Glow as my transition, and I'm going to first apply kind of high in my crease and heavy as well. It's going to help the eyeshadow to blend out when I do put the eyeshadow on. Alright, then I'm going to go in with the star of the show. This is the Black Up Cosmetics eyeshadow in number 10. What I'm going to do is, I'm going to just apply to my lid and a little higher up as well, close to like my crease, so I can smoke it out. One thing about a smoky eye, it's a lot of detail. It's a whole lot of detail, so you have to like just try to be as precise as possible. But at the same time, if it's messy, it still looks really cute. So you don't really have to be perfect. And I do want some of the darkness under here, so I'm just going to smoke that out as well. Going back in with this, I have 6 minutes. Oh my god. I wanted to budget the time for like everything for my eyes and for my face, but I think at this point that might just be a little unrealistic. Just smoking it out. And I'm going to save setting my brow bone until after foundation on everybody. Alright, and also saving mascara until after. I'm just going to skip right into my foundation, but I'm going to put on some powder first onto my face. You guys know this is just to help prime and help your foundation to stay on a little longer. Especially where you sweat. For foundation today, I'm using the Jordana 2-in-1 complete cover, in the shade 11, which is golden toffee. And I'm not using like a lot of foundation. This is a daytime look, as I said. I don't want it to be just like too much at all, so I'm trying to keep it, you know, smoky but still natural looking, if that makes sense. And I don't know if I mentioned, but there will be no lashes for this look. No, nothing like that. The drama is in the eye makeup, just the smokiness of the eye. I like using brushes because it makes things go like 10 times faster. The beauty blenders and them things, they don't really work out when you hurry up. Alright, I'm legit just going to highlight under my eyes. I have 3 minutes. This is unreal. Oh, come on, cool time. My concealer isn't coming out, guys. And I don't want this part to be like super dramatic. But with a smoky eye, you have to have like that lifted look like under here, or it's not as effective. And as you guys can see, I'm literally filming in my room still, just in front of my door. Because I wanted a white background to make this look, you know, more obvious. Since it was a full-on, you know, makeup tutorial. Alright, I'm going to set under there with the Milani translucent powder in medium to deep. It's number 2. I'm just going to get some of that and just set under here. I have 2 minutes. And I'm now going to take some of that onto my brow bone as well. Set it under here. Alright, I'm gonna dust this away. And I'm going to set it with the same powder that I used in the beginning on my face. It's the Milani Medium Deep Conceal and Perfect Press Powder. Just bringing it all over my face. 1 minute and 36 seconds. Contour, Earth Glow, as always in life. It's right below the cheek area. And I also like using this as like a blush. So I'm also going to be taking it onto my cheek a little bit too. 1 minute 4 seconds. Oops, highlights. I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit, the That Glow Kit. I'm using golden bronze right here. I think this is like the perfect daytime highlight. 42 seconds, guys. Where's my other brush? 23 seconds. $14 seconds. I put some in there too. 7 seconds. I'm gonna put on my mascara. My time is up, I think. Alright, so my time is up, but I'm gonna put on my mascara now. And the good thing is, like, when you're putting this on and you put it on in front of the fan, it makes all the difference, I swear. I'm just going to put it on my lower lashes as well. Now for that look, I did do oh, I hate when that happens. For that look, I did a nude lip. I'm gonna be lining with AMIR's AMIR Cosmetics pencil in Cocoa. Just gonna use that to line my lips a bit. And I love the formula of their products. It's very, very smooth. I'm gonna have the info down below. I used their lippies in my last makeup tutorial. You guys would have seen that. I love the formula. So follow them and check them out. I'm going to have their information in the description bar of this video. On my lips, I'm using the AMIR Cosmetics matte lipstick in the color Paris. It's like a nude pink, but I'm not using like a lot. I never this morning, you know. Ugh. This is not the one I wanted. Is it? Yeah, I think is it. Yep, definitely. Okay. I think this is a gloss. Is this a gloss? Yeah, but it's more on the pinky side. I'm gonna be using their nude gloss. That's what I used. I just saw it. Where is it? Okay. In the color Passion. On top of that. Now Passion has the color that I really want, which is like a nude pink. Yeah, and then I'm gonna just spray my face with the Make It Dewy setting spray from Milani. And that is all I did for the look. I'm going to layer on my mascara and I'll be back when I change and everything like that. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I have also attached a couple flash test pictures as well as a flash test video. Because I want to show you guys the quality of the makeup, even though it was done in 10 minutes or a little bit more than 10 minutes, but you know, whatever. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making this, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a lot of fun posting it too. I do have more content coming for you guys. Thanks so much for rocking with me for this long. I know I have not been very consistent, but I do plan on changing that, and there was just a lot that has happened, which I do plan to explain to you guys like later on. I keep saying this, but I just want to reiterate. Oh, also guys, if you have any questions about my LOCS, if you'd like to book an appointment, the info will be down in the description bar. Alright, so y'all already know what to do. Thumbs up this video if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button and become a part of the family, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you guys have any video requests, by the way, you can leave them down in the comment section. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow the IG, the Snapchat, and the Facebook. We'll be posting more on those as well, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.